You're always here. All right, man. That wind is really blowing. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's like stuff blowing all over the place. We'll try to get up here on Wednesday, about the same time we did today. Weather permits, maybe even tomorrow, but I'm not sure what